Have you noticed that almost everyone is talking about Claude AI and ChatGPT? But here is the thing, the people who will make the most money online in 2026 will not or do not rely on just one AI. This group of people are building multiple businesses using tools that a lot of us have not even heard of. So, in today's video, I'll reveal 5 emerging tools that would help you create content faster, help you launch your digital product, automate tasks, and potentially generate income from home. If you are a small business owner, these AI tools could also help you attract clients. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, a content creator, a student, a freelancer, just someone looking for a side hustle, these AI tools could save you time and open up more opportunities. Please watch this video till the end because we're going to look at how to combine these AI tools into a simple AI working system to help you make more money than you've ever done in 2026. Let's look at Perplexity AI, the research assistant that saves hours. One of the biggest problems for YouTubers, researchers, bloggers, content creators is research. Research can take a lot of hours or even days. This is where Perplexity AI comes in. Think of it as a search engine combined with an assistant. Now, instead of opening 200 browser tabs and gathering information, Perplexity AI can help you do all this. Perplexity AI can summarize information, tell you the sources of this information, and also help you understand topics quickly. How to make money with Perplexity AI? 1, you can start a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel already, please start one. 2, you can start blogging. And remember, you can monetize your blog from day one. You can use Adsterra. If you would love to start a blog and start monetizing today, my Adsterra link is in the description. You can click on it, join, sign up, and start monetizing your blog post. Also, you can create ebooks. Last week, I tried to make money using AI and I created some new books which I put on Amazon, and I sold 4 books last week alone, and I am sharing with you how that went. Also, you can offer research services. I do this, I help people with their dissertations. I only teach what I know that I have tested or what I am willing to try. So with Perplexity AI, you can offer research services. You could create newsletters, or you can start a niche website. For example, if you want to start a YouTube channel about side hustles, you can ask Perplexity AI questions like this. Give me 100 ideas for the most profitable side hustles of 2026. You can ask Perplexity AI, what are some of the challenges of new YouTube creators? Guys, within seconds, you have research, you have trends, and you have all the information you need. This means less time researching and more time creating content. So, a lot of creators use Perplexity AI for their YouTube videos, for their digital product, affiliate marketing, and they also use Perplexity AI for their online courses. The faster you research, the more content you can publish. Also, the more content you publish, the greater your earning potential. Now, let's quickly consider Gamma AI. Gamma AI for professional presentations and your digital products. So, if you have ever spent hours or days trying to create PowerPoint presentation, lead magnet, training materials, and things like that, just come up with a prompt. And in seconds, Gamma AI would help you create this PowerPoint presentation. Now, Gamma AI does not just stop at presentations. It does reports, guides, business proposals, and also training materials. To make money with Gamma, you can do digital guide, online course materials, client presentations, coaching resources, and even lead magnets for your business. For example, with Gamma AI, you can create 50 side hustle ideas for beginners. You can turn this into a mini ebook that you can use as a lead magnet. bundle it, put it up on your site as a course, or you can give it for free to people as a lead magnet in exchange for their emails. This way your email list grows longer and you can market other products to these people on your email list. The next one is HeyGen. HeyGen helps you create videos without being on camera. A lot of creators struggle with confidence, lighting, camera, equipment, and etc. But with HeyGen, you don't need to show your face. HeyGen helps you generate quality videos. With HeyGen, you can create your own presenter or create an avatar. Simply upload a script onto HeyGen and create your professional videos. Now with HeyGen, you can create YouTube videos, you could create your course videos. You could also produce marketing videos and you could create multilingual content. Once HeyGen creates this content for you, you need to upload consistently and monetize through advert placement, affiliate marketing, or even selling your courses on platforms like Kajabi or Teachable. So this is one of the fastest growing AI business models right now. Also, there is 11 Labs. Turn your text into human-like voiceover. I use 11 Labs a lot, and trust me, the sound quality is ace. So you can have free credits on 11 Labs, and once those free credits have expired, you are expected to pay a token, or you wait for next month until you get the free credits again. I always use my free credits. The AI on 11 Labs converts your text to natural speech. So it is not just YouTube videos you can create. You can also create your audiobook using 11 Labs. You could have your podcast creation or your educational content all done on 11 Labs. Let's say you have an ebook. You could use 11 Lab to turn this into an audio book. So one piece of content, two sources of income. Let us consider Manus AI. Now with Manus AI, unlike your traditional chatbot, if you give Manus AI a task, it follows through till the end. It doesn't just answer your questions, it completes tasks for you. So you can do your market research, you can do your competitor analysis, you can do your content planning, your business reports, and also your workflow automation. Manus helps you save time as a business owner or as a content creator. To build an AI income stream, here are some ways to go about it. First, you can position yourself as an AI consultant. 2, you can become a content strategist. You can also be a productivity coach. So, here is a simple workflow for you. Step 1, you can use Perplexity AI to research profitable topics. 2, use Claude AI or ChatGPT to create your content. Use Gamma AI to create digital products. Use 11 Labs for your voiceover. So, use HeyGen for your videos or for your avatars. Use Manus AI for repetitive tasks or to automate your workflow. We have content creation, product creation, marketing, and automation. This is how many online businesses are built in 2026. AI alone will not make you rich. Let's face reality. The people earning money online, they are the people that solve problems. They are the people that create either useful or entertaining content. These people also stay consistent and they build audience, which is what I am determined to do for the rest of 2026, being consistent and also building a loyal audience. AI simply helps you work faster. Think of artificial intelligence as a bicycle for your business that you still have to pedal. AI does not do all the work for you. It just helps you work faster and efficiently. Which of these AI tools are you using already, or which of them are you willing to try? Please let me know in the comments section. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because here on this channel, we talk about how to make money online, work from home business idea, side hustle ideas, and how to make money through AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.